Cari crew, what it do, man? You know what I'm saying? Back at it again with another POV, bro. I see y'all been rocking with the POV, man. Y'all done looked at my last POV. In 3 days, bro, we got over 1K, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate all y'all that been watching, man. Even though, surprisingly, all the people that been watching them videos are people that are not subscribed. They new people. So, man, y'all new people, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? But today, man, we just out and about cruising. I kind of rock the POV, man. I'm gonna start doing something like this too. Not even just always the ones, you know, or like just on my head and y'all see everything. I like, you know, so I can turn the camera around and point and show y'all different stuff. And I learned that I can record in that angle too with 4K. I ain't know you can do that. You used to like not let you zoom all the way out, but you had to like zoom out first and then, you know what I'm saying, put it in 4K. But we're probably gonna do a little slight cutting up today, but this time, you know what I'm saying, we ain't gonna cut up, but we're just gonna ride. I'm gonna talk to y'all, man, but obviously, look at that cat, man. There's a cat right there. But obviously, you know, we're gonna be riding this time, but it's gonna be like this, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to just show y'all, and we're just gonna be talking, really. Roll the window down a little bit in the back. I'm gonna roll this one up. I just had the other ones out, but yeah, Cari crew, man, you know. Just, I don't know, man. I rock the POV. I'm trying to get that algorithm, man, and break it. So y'all just keep rocking with them POV, man, and all kind of stuff like that. I'm gonna give y'all a little sound test right quick. And again, I don't even be throttling it, bro. I just know my car with no valves open up, you know what I'm saying? What's up, man? It's a slight work, man, slight work. Don't mind the radar, man. I know sometimes it get annoying. I just mute it out sometimes, but sometimes you unplugging it. But, oh yeah, Cari crew, by the way, if y'all ain't see, man, I got that carbon fiber. It's been on here for a while, man. I just ain't, you know what I'm saying, showed y'all yet, but y'all peep that, man. Peep how that look right there. You know what I'm saying? Installed by your boy. You know what I'm saying? And it match this, you feel me? I'm turning it down. I don't know why it's so bright. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Straight like that. But I'm gonna order the ones too. They go here and here. Bro, this much just for this by itself, but them are like 20. This was $11, even though it's 3 pieces. It was like 11. This like 15, 18. This like 20 full tag. Like just this put on a trim. Well, I'm probably gonna get nothing for all this though, cause that's too much. I don't feel like taking all that. I don't know if it do go over, but that junk, I don't even know you can put that on. Well, I do, but that junk probably so hard, like getting all right here, getting right there, like that junk probably too much. So I just stick with these and these. I really wasn't even a fan of really getting this. It's just like, I ain't gonna lie, when you do stuff on the inside of the car, cause when you're driving it, that's all you can look at. You can't look at enjoy the outside, you know what I'm saying? But you know, you can't enjoy the outside while driving it. But, you know what I'm saying, I was gonna, you know, get all this right here, and this right here. Hopefully y'all can hear me, man, that wind ain't too bad. But you know what I'm saying, get all that did, you know, just kind of turn the inside a little bit, something slight, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think about that, though, man. I kind of rock with it, you know, I barely be looking at it sometimes, but when I do look at it, just, you know, it catch your eye in a different way. You feel me? So, oh, the camera look a little dark. Yeah. But yeah, man. And by the way, you know what I'm saying, we on a full tank of gas for the first time, by the way. You feel me? As y'all can see, man. I know y'all heard that pop. See if y'all can hear another one. I got it in custom transmission, by the way. It's trying to, bro. It's trying. Oh. Look at 12. 12. Woo-hoo. Hey, y'all seen 12, man? 12 in my video, man. I wasn't doing nothing to make it noise, you know what I'm saying? But 12 in my video, man. I'm just riding around in my Catless 392. You know what I'm saying? It's a Camaro over there. Well, you can't see him, but he trying to creep up. It's a V6 though. But still a Camaro, you know what I'm saying? Well, Car Crew, man, y'all let me know what other video y'all like to see, man. POV style, or just, you know what I'm saying, me going to certain places and paying that niche anyway, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just let me know what y'all would like to see, man. Y'all just let me know, man. Y'all boys just let me know. But yeah, man, y'all can see we just out, you know what I'm saying, cruising today. Something slight, man. I'm trying to stay consistent, you know what I'm saying, at least post, if not daily, bro, you know what I'm saying, close to it. So y'all just, you know, enjoy the POV, man. Something's gonna be different. I may come with some twists and, you know what I'm saying, all kind of different things, man. But y'all just enjoy that POV, man. Got a crowd killer riding by. But yeah, man, y'all just enjoy the POVs. You know what I'm saying? I see folks like them. I'ma still do the ones like, you know, the ones that be like on top of my head, the original, traditional POV. But you know, I just noticed, you know what I'm saying? We can do the quote unquote lazy POVs still. They still count as a POV, you feel me? And I personally enjoy POVs, you know what I'm saying, myself. Car Crew, I personally do. I personally enjoy POV myself. You know what I'm saying? I don't watch them all the time. When I do see them, I watch them. And like my boy Vontae 1K, you know what I'm saying? He like the guru now of that, bro. Like all his videos like point of view, POV. Maybe lit. I know y'all heard Olivia coming up that truck, man. But yeah, they be lit though, you know what I'm saying? And like, and I see how he do it like crazy, you know what I'm saying? How much love he get for doing that, but they lit. I always been doing POVs, bro. It's just I ain't think people really rock with them for real until now. People starting to rock with them, you know what I'm saying? Cause that video shot me. Y'all go watch that last video, man. That last POV I just did, drifting. Every turn I made, part 2. You know what I'm saying? That video straight raw and uncut, man. You know what I'm saying? Just the whole video. That video pretty lit though. It wasn't as lit as the first one. Cause the first one was longer. But it was more 12 out, you know what I'm saying, that day. On the part 2. What's up, man? Now let me know how Olivia sound. I know it probably don't sound too great, you know what I'm saying? On the camera, can't do no justice. I wish I could just hear that echo, bro. I just rolled past one of my partners. He had the window all the way down. Well, the dude I know in the mirror. Y'all hear that echo, man? That's man, cutting up in traffic, man, in Olivia, man. That's where I want to go. That's where I want to go. Custom mode, by the way. I just imagine if I was in sport. Oh, I see a Scat over there. Well, it built like one. Just listen to it, bro. Y'all just listen, man. In the background, like. Let me see. That don't sound crazy. That sound crazy, bro. And I'm not even, bro, I tell you, I'm barely tapping. I'm not even like hitting the gas to the floor or nothing, bro. I just learned kind of learned my sweet spot in Olivia. When I want to make a little bit of noise, just enough noise, or look like this just enough noise. Trying to see y'all can hear the burbles. I know y'all hear that echo, cuz. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's so different when the windows be down lower, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, Cari crew. Cari crew, y'all got a thumbs up this video, man. Last video got like 60 likes, bro. Y'all get it to 60 likes again, bro. I really want 100, but let's get it to 60 again, bro. At least 50, bro. Off the trees, bro. That's crazy. Off the trees. Cari crew, man. Listen to the echo, cuz. That's crazy. That's crazy. But hey, man, I just want to give y'all a little quick little POV, man. Me cutting up the traffic, man. My first time getting out the house today, you know what I'm saying? I've been chilling. It's 7:30, you know what I'm saying? Down there. Listen to that echo, bro. I ain't gonna lie, Cari crew, I would risk it for y'all, but I can't do it, boy. I'm on this street right here, can't even play like that. But yeah, man, with that being said, that's gonna conclude today's video, man. I'm start giving y'all quick, you know what I'm saying, short, direct videos sometime from here to here, man, just to keep my algorithm going. Cause I'm gonna show y'all, man, I really want this, man, and I'm gonna get that 10K. Look. You know what I'm saying? I told you I'm gonna get that 10K. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get it, bro. I just gotta keep putting that work in. Can't give up, you know what I'm saying? As long as you stay true to it, man, and keep putting in the work, man, it'll happen eventually. You know what I'm saying? It'll happen eventually. We hate that word eventually because we don't know when that is, but it will happen eventually. You just gotta, you know what I'm saying? Look at this, whoever that is. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta do what you gotta do. I went ahead and chill. I just took a whole loop for y'all and basically rode a circle for nothing. I was supposed to be really trying to get something to eat on the other side of town. I was just at. But now I gotta go back through again. I'm really scared. I'm really finna go ahead and go back over where I was. That's what I'm probably finna do. But yeah, Cari crew, man. So like I said in the end of my video, man, you got a goal you trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. And if you made it this far, I hope y'all ain't clicked off yet, bro. Hit the subscribe button, bro. If you made it this far, man, hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And, you know what I'm saying, just show support to your boy, man. Share my video at least once to somebody, man. Put it on your IG story. Tag me on Instagram, man, at Cari.beats on Instagram. Or, you know what I'm saying, anywhere, Facebook. Just share it to somebody, bro. Send it to the group chat. People that like Cari, man. Just put somebody on, man. You know what I'm saying? That means a lot to me, bro. Get your boy to 10K so we can go crazy, man. And then one day your boy can really get that cat. I'm not really rushing to get no cat, but I do want one, bro. And I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Y'all just gotta like the video, man, and run it up, bro. I'm telling you, bro. We can get a cat with ease, bro. With ease. I'm telling you, like, with ease, Cari. Y'all just gotta do that for me, man. But stay true to your goals, man, and don't let nobody tell you no, and the sky's the limit. You can touch it, you know what I'm saying? But like I also say, man, for all my religious people, you gotta, I always finna say the same thing twice, Cari, my bad, but for all my religious folk, unplug, that junk going crazy for no reason. But for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, you know, keep him in the mix, man. Just always give him thanks, man, and just ask for his guidance and trust in him, bro. Trust the process, you know what I'm saying, and don't don't always question them all the time when it's, you know what I'm saying, for everything. Don't quit, you know what I'm saying? Just trust the process, bro, and ask for guidance and ask for you to understand, you know what I'm saying, whatever's going on in your life. And, you know, man, keep that faith, man. Faith ain't the size but just of a mustard seed, bro. I seen the mustard seed, I had one, you know what I'm saying? It's like literally, bro, you can't even see, you can just roll it like that. That's how small it is. That's how much faith he has, man. Just a little bit. And just hold and own yourself up to that faith, that little bit of faith, bro, or bigger faith, you know what I'm saying? But like I say, man, I ain't gonna preach our head off, but that's for all my religious people, man. You know, just stay prayed up, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay safe out here in these streets. And Cari crew, let me see, I might give y'all one more little downshift. You know what I'm saying? One quick little pull, maybe. Ooh. That's a little quick one, but yeah, man. So that'll be a wrap for this video. Like I said, now the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.